Hey everyone, need to pay rent with Moneygram? Here's a quick and easy guide to get it done. First of all, visit a Moneygram location near you. You can find kiosks at Walmart, CVS, Pharmacy, Ace, Cash, Express, and more. At the kiosk, select payments and enter your phone number. Enter the company details like company name, receipt code. To credit the payment to your account, enter your biller account number. Find it in the Build app under the Pay Rent tab or ask your property manager for it. Once you enter your details, follow the on-screen steps to complete your payment. And that's it. Your rent is paid using MoneyGram. Like and subscribe for more easy payment tips. Thanks for watching.